Duncan, you like the grass? You like the grass patch? We used to play with grass inside, huh? Duncan, we used to play with the grass inside. Yeah. Yeah. We used to make a mess. We used to play with the grass inside. See, look at what, you can't have nice things. This is why we can't have nice things, Duncan. You good boy. Oh yeah, look how strong you are. Oh yeah. See, look, you can't just play with it normal, huh? Oh yeah, Duncan. Duncan. We used to play with the grass inside. Ow! Yeah, he's a good boy. We used to play with the grass inside. Yeah. How fun is that? Yeah. Yeah, who loves the grass, Duncan? Yes, you do. You love the grass, sweetheart? Yeah, you're gonna make a mess.